Moral Science, Lesson 8, My Neighbors. The green hills are on the other side of the river. During rainy season, water level in the river rises up. People who are in the green hills cannot come to the other side of the river. So, in this lesson, it tells about a green hill. And where is the green hill? It is on the other side of the river. So during rainy season, what will happen? The water level rises up. The water level increase. വെള്ളത്തിൻ്റെ അളവ് കൂടും and the river filled up with the water. So the people, those who are in green hills, cannot come to the next side of that, opposite side of that river. Then Sinduri pigeon and her daughter Minnu lives there in the green hills. Where did Sinduri pigeon and the daughter Minnu live? Where? എവിടെയാ സിന്ദൂരി പീജിയനും മിന്നും താമസിക്കുന്നത്? ഗ്രീൻ ഹിൽസ്. Sinduri pigeon and her daughter Minnu lives there in the green hills. Underline all of you. Sinduri pigeon and her daughter Minnu lives there in the green hills. So, where does Sinduri pigeon and Minnu live? They live on Sinduri hills. Then, yes, she can't fly long distance. So, if water level rises in the river, she can't go in search of food to the other side. Then, Sinduri and Minnu have to starve. Means what? S-T-A-R-V-E, starve. S-T-A-R-V-E, starve means what? Without food. അതായത് മലയാളത്തിൽ ദാരിദ്ര്യം എന്ന് പറയും അല്ലേ? ദാരിദ്ര്യം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ? സ്കേഴ്സിറ്റി ഓഫ് ഫുഡ്. നോ ഫുഡ് ടു ഈറ്റ്. ഡ്യൂ ടു ഹെവി റെയിൻ, സിന്ദൂരി പിജിയൻ ആൻഡ് and her daughter Minnu couldn't get anything to eat. Could not have any food in their nest because Mother Sinduri could not go out and collect food because there is heavy rain. So she prays that the water level in the river may not rise. So every time when the rain starts, Sinduri pigeon pray to God. What she prays? എന്താ പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുന്നത് സിന്ദൂരി പിജിയൻ? God, don't allow the water level to rise up. വെള്ളം കൂടുതൽ വരരുതെന്ന് ആര് പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കും? സിന്ദൂരി പിജിയൻ. Then one day there was heavy rain during the night. One day night there was what? Heavy rain was there. What was there? What was there? What was there? Heavy rain. There was plenty of water in the river in the morning. If night there is heavy rain, what we could see in the morning? Full of water. രാത്രി മുഴുവൻ മഴയാണെങ്കിൽ പകല് നമുക്ക് എന്ത് കാണും? നിറച്ച് വെള്ളം ഉണ്ടാവും അല്ലേ? ഫുൾ ഓഫ് വാട്ടർ. സോ in the morning there was plenty of water. Rain still continued. Rain started at night, but morning also it continued. Morning also it was raining. Sinduri and Minnu could not come outside. Their store of grains and pulses got over. You learned grains and pulses. Grains, what grains? Rice, wheat, maize, all these are grains. That we learned cereals. In second standard we learned cereals. And pulses, what? Pea, green gram, Bengal gram, payar, parippu, dal. All these pulses. And all the birds store pulses and grains in their nest. That over due to heavy rain. That grains and pulses over. So they would have nothing to eat. Then they felt very sad. Why? Because no food at home. During that flood season, we also felt all the shops closed. ഫ്ലഡ് സീസൺ ഉണ്ടായില്ലേ, പ്രളയം നമുക്കൊരു 4 ദിവസം. അപ്പോൾ ആ 4 ദിവസം എല്ലാ കടകളൊക്കെ അടഞ്ഞിടന്നല്ല, കടയിലൊക്കെ വെള്ളം കയറി. അപ്പോൾ കുറേ വീട്ടിലൊന്നും എന്തുണ്ടായില്ല, ഫുഡ് ഉണ്ടായില്ല. Then they felt sad. A crow happened to come that way. So that time a crow was passing through that way. When she saw the sad faces of Sinduri and Minnu, she inquired the reason. She felt sorry for Minnu, who was tired and had slept without food. And Minnu was very small bird. So Minnu cannot fly. And Minnu's mother Sinduri can't left the nest. Why? Because heavy rain was there, and that Minnu was not able to fly with her mother. So they felt sad and they have nothing to eat. അവർക്ക് എന്തില്ല, ഒന്നും കഴിക്കാനില്ല, ഫുഡൊന്നുമില്ല. അപ്പം ആരാണ് അതുവഴി വന്നത്? Who came? A crow. A crow happened to come that way. The crow immediately flew away to the western hills and informed their leader Chiru about the sad story of Sinduri and Minnu. And that crow, what did that crow do? What did that crow do? That crow went to his own place, and this crow informed to their leader. What this crow informed? എന്താ പറഞ്ഞത്? There were 2 birds in Green Hills, and they had nothing to eat. Crow said to his leader. Then who was the leader? Chiru. Chiru was the leader of crows. Then he called for a meeting of all the crows. They decided to give food to Sinduri and Minnu throughout the rainy season by taking turns. Then the leader called a meeting. Whose leader? Crow's leader. കാക്കകളുടെ രാജാവ് ഒരു മീറ്റിംഗ് അറേഞ്ച് ചെയ്തു. And they took a decision. What decision they took? To give food to Sinduri and Minnu. സിന്ദൂരിക്കും മിന്നുവിനും ഫുഡ് കൊടുക്കാമെന്ന് ഡിസൈഡ് ചെയ്തു. How? Turn wise. If we are giving food from home, that's one day from one home, next day another home. Like that we are helping. So these crows also took a decision to give food to Sinduri and Minnu in turn. Turn എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ മാറി മാറി കൊടുക്കാനായിട്ട് തീരുമാനിച്ചു. They decided to give food to Sinduri and Minnu throughout the rainy season by taking turns. First day it was Chinnu's turn. So first day whose chance? Chinnu's chance. Who was Chinnu? A crow. Chinnu ആരാ? ഒരു കാക്ക അല്ലേ? When she reached with food, it was evening. Sinduri and Minnu were tired and sleeping. She woke them up and gave food. They were very grateful. Chinnu was also very happy. For a week, the crows went on giving food to Sinduri and Minnu in the Green Hills. When the rain stopped, Sinduri started flying out in search of food. She thanked the crows who helped her in need. Underline. Who thanked the crows? Who thanked the crows? Who said thank you? Who said thank you? Crow said thank you. Pigeon. What was the name of that pigeon? Sinduri. Sinduri said thank you. Why? Because crows helped Sinduri and Minnu. Crows brought food to them, and crows helped the So when the rain stops, Sinduri said, Sinduri expressed her thanks to the crows who helped in need. Need means എന്താ ആവശ്യം അല്ലേ? So you also help others in their need, especially in this COVID season. COVID season, many are living without food and all, medicine and all. So with the help of your parents, you can give help to the needy persons. Okay? So read this.